Now you're going to have four-wheel steering, and you're going to be able to turn very sharp. Okay guys, this is how to set up for dual steering. I did modify my Crawler King to have a servo mounted right on the axle in the front and one at the back. I am using the R6FG, and I put channel 1 is the front servo, channel 2 is the ESC, and channel 3 is the second servo. You turn on your controller. You make sure it's bound to your receiver. This one is, because we did that last time. And I actually put it onto Model 1 ID1. And if you want to know about the Model 1 and ID1 and how to actually do this, follow the link above. And it's going to show you how to set up the ID. So once we got that, you by default, which is nice, is this remote control actually has this knob on channel 3, which means I have my steering onto the front wheel here, front, and I also have rear steer. So front steering here and rear steering here, which is very interesting. And if you want to know where your steering is at, you just hit the exit again, and it actually brings you to these servos 1, 2, 3, 4, because this is a 4-channel, and you can actually see I'm actually moving the steering at the back, which is very interesting. If you set up your truck and you just want to steer the rear, you can actually do it this way. And then you have to set up into the mixing program mix 1. It doesn't matter if you use a 1 or the mix. We're only going to use 1 for this one. So basically I come in here, and you do have to turn it on, but before turning it on, because if I do turn it on now and I hit the steering, it is set on throttle, which means it is going to go forward. So I do have this set on channel 3 for the slave, and we'll leave everything the same. And now I can actually go to the on to program it on, and now my truck is turning all 4 wheels. Both wheels turn on the same side. This is called crab. The only thing you have to do to fix the crab is go into your menu, go number 12 with the reverse, and reverse your channel 3 into reverse. And now you're going to have 4-wheel steering, and you're going to be able to turn very sharp. So that's one way to turn it from crab to the other one. There is no way to hit a button and disable on this radio. So if you do want to disable your 4-wheel steering, you do have to go to the program mix and actually turn it off. So you can actually do that at any time. You can leave it there like that. When you go back to the programming, it's going to be there. So now it's actually disabled. If you do want to turn it off real quick, you got to go in your program mix and actually turn it on here and off. That's the way to disable it or enable it. So if the rear is not going the right way, change your channel, and the only thing you have to do is do the program mix. But right now this works for that, and this works for all 4 wheels. So that's an interesting little toy to play with. And then you can actually see that both channels are actually going. So real quick, this is how you set up the 4-wheel steering. Just put front servo on channel 1 and this one on channel 3. And the only thing you have to do is go in the mix and actually change it. And by default, that knob is there. But if ever you want to take it off, you have to go into the aux channel. And channel 1 here is the VR here, which is this one. You turn it on and you actually put it on null. Like that, on null, it is going to be not there, and you are going to have 4-wheel steering. I like having the little steering wheel on it, so I'm going to put back the aux back onto the VR. There, now I'm back on the VR. I can put it back at 0. And I can control this way, or I can control just the rear. So that's a lot of fun. And that's how to do 4-wheel steering with the RC4GS. And this works the same way on the 6-channel version. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this was helpful, and we'll talk to you later.